So we've got total of 4,800 watts, right? If you, to work out your power, you multiply the two, right? So with gel batteries, you can only, with gel batteries, if you use 70% of the battery, you get 2,000 cycles, right? This applies for gel. If you use 50% of the battery, you may get 1,500 cycles. So the more you use of the battery, the less cycles you get. If you use 100% of the battery,
The more you use of the battery.
the more you use of the, like discharging the battery.
Yeah, but you said the more you use the battery, the less cycles. But
I
here
mean,
we're using less battery, we have got less cycles.
Oh, sorry, you're using, so you're using 50% of the battery, so you're
Correct.
using more, and you're getting less cycles. So you use less, sorry, the less use of the battery, I said
The
it
more
wrong.
cycles, okay.
The more, so I said it wrong, you're correct.
Okay, cool.
So if you're using, I said this wrong, it should be 30%. If you use 30% of the battery, you get 2,000 cycles.
50%,
It's
1.5,
fine.
got
You
you.
record it with my mistake.
100%, yeah,
so
yeah.
people can understand. 30%, 2,000 cycles. Use 50%, 1,500. If you use 100% of the battery, tomorrow you throw the battery away, right? Because it has no, gel batteries have got no protection. So the moment you go all the way down, it won't start up again. That is why we give no guarantee. This has to be controlled by the inverter. Whoever's doing the installation has to make sure that the voltage, because you set the voltage where it must switch off. If it continues working, it will just continue draining. Now what happens is you can take 4 batteries, you put another 2, and then you parallel it again. So you still have, then you can add these batteries in pairs of 2s and parallel them each time. So you have more storage power.
And now if you add panels to this?
Now this is where we're going to next. Before we come to the panels, we have another battery that's coming in, right? This battery is going to cost about 6,000 rands. It's the 6,000 rand battery is going to be a 24 volt, 100 amp hour. Same capacity as this, right? This is 24 volt, 200 amp hour. So this is 24 volt, 100 amp hour. I just need to double check that, right? But this is going to be lithium and it's 6,000 rands. Now the difference with the lithium is the lithium they say it can do 6,000 cycles on 80% discharge. The advantage of using lithium is firstly more cycles and you can use more of the battery. So you see here you can only use 30% of the battery to get 2,000
cycles, yeah.
So one battery of this is equivalent to many of those, you know.
Correct, got you.
If you do that calculation, right? Now everybody that's doing this, that wants to buy a backup system, why would someone invest in it? Because now ESCOM is more stable. They say load shedding is coming back, but nobody knows for sure. So you want the system to pay itself off. So we have solar panels, that's 1,500 rands each, right? So this inverter can take, let's say on this inverter can take up to 5 panels. Actually they said 4 to 8 because it's 460 volts. So you can put 4 to 8 panels at a price of 1,500 rand each. Then your system starts producing its own power. During the day you have your power, your inverter can power your appliances directly and charge the batteries at the same time. And your batteries will only last according to what load you put on it when the sun goes down. So this is your system explained in a nutshell.
What is the spec of this panel?
So the panels that we have in stock is roughly about 500 to 550 watts. So let's say 500 watt panels. Right? We have a container coming in for 1,500 rand each. You can work out the total. Let's say 4 panels. That's 6,000. 2 batteries, or let's say 6,000 for batteries. right? That's 6 plus 6 plus 3, 5. So we're coming to 15,500. Then we have the cheapest installation cost, which we'll have to quote based on each job, because we have Kyle and team. So this is the basic equipment that's needed. Then you need some fittings, breakers, control gear, cables, mounting the panels on the roof. So the same setup that we have here, we also have it in the 5.5 kilowatt. So we'll do another video for the 5.5 kilowatt. All right. So I hope this can teach our staff, and that's it from me, Priya.